My name is Darren McDonnell and I am the installation supervisor over here at UNTHA UK. What we're going to do here now is one of my colleagues, Dave, is going to do a PDI, which is a pre-delivery inspection of this shredder. We have a checklist of everything, about 100 items fully on this list, and he'll go through it and he'll check everything that's on the list and tick it off. And the reason we do this is so that we can make sure the machine's correct and built exactly how we wanted it to be before we send it out to the customer, so we know that everything's correct before it lands on site. The main things we look out for is damage to the shredder. Once it leaves the factory and it gets put on a wagon and it goes onto a boat and then comes here, there's many factors that could damage the shredder. We'll check for any loose pipe, locks that might not be working, door lock, panel locks, anything like that. We also check for belts and cutters, all that type of stuff to make sure everything's tight. We do 3 PDIs in total. PDI at the factory, PDI here, and then PDI on the site. That's 3 checks that the machine gets before it goes into service. People may only do 1, some may not do any at all, so we're triple checking our work before we send it to site to make sure that we're that one step ahead of everyone else. From a customer's point of view, they spend a hell of a lot of money on these machines and they want these machines to go straight to work as soon as they arrive and everything to be correct and work in order from the get-go, from the very end of the commissioning to the beginning of their processing. Everything needs to be correct. So it's valuable for the customer that we get everything spot on from the beginning.